Fish on. Let's go. Oh, feel beaches. Woo! No! And that's exactly where I got hit him. Caught that smallie. Oh, fish on, fish on. Oh, oh my God! What is this? Holy! Oh, that's what it is. Oh my gosh. I believe this is a carp. I don't even know. Look at this thing. It's huge. Look at that. Whew. I know. I don't even know how you hold these things. I really don't. I don't know if it has teeth. Whoa. Sorry, girl, sorry. Got these. I literally just bought them at Academy. Oh my God. Look at this thing. It's huge. He's playing. There you go, there she goes. Holy. That fell. I've never caught a fish that big. I mean, I just started fishing, so that was amazing and crazy at the same time. We're using a crankbait square bill with I believe it's 12 pound. So I mean it holds its weight. I didn't even know that's how it worked, but that fish is huge. Oh my God. That was amazing. Woo. Fish on. Let's go. Oh, feel beaches. Woo! No! Oh, she was fighting. I lost her at that jump. Ah, she was fighting. We're all rigged up again. Oh, what? What just happened? I thought I was stuck, and I could have sworn I saw this stick come out. I got a little smallie. Look at that. I caught it through the bottom. It's barely hooked on. I thought I could have. Oh my! Wow. Oh, it is a largemouth, I guess. I thought I had got stuck. There you go. Nice little bass. Second bass of the day. There she goes. Wow. I mean, I didn't feel like, I guess maybe the way I hooked it, she didn't fight at all. It just felt heavy. Can't even see that with the glare. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Oh. Whoa! Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that. She murdered it. Perch? Is that what it's called? I don't even know. Look at that. She murdered it. That's 4 species for me because I got smallmouth earlier, which was huge. I didn't catch it on video, but I'm gonna post a picture of it. I got that one, then I got that carp, then that large mouth, the small one, and now that, which I'm pretty sure it's a perch or I don't even know. Bluegill, actually. I think that's what they're called. But all on the same rig. So we're gonna move down to the curb, see if we have any luck. All right, guys, well, my day of fishing's over. I didn't record anymore because, I mean, I was out there for another hour and a half, and I didn't even get hit at all. First time out here and first time fishing a river, I guess, because I always go to ponds, but even with that, like, just so you guys know, I just started fishing. Like, it's been 2 weeks. I've been watching a bunch of YouTube videos on how to use how to fish, basically. So I'm just doing my best, but overall today was super fun. Caught some awesome fish. The first one, a small mouth bass, it was huge. So I have that one. I'll just post a picture of it because I didn't catch on a video. I didn't think of, recording and put it on YouTube. So, but it was super fun, and I'm probably gonna be back here tomorrow, and I'm gonna hit some more ponds and do some recording. And honestly, I want feedback in the comments. Like, whatever I'm doing wrong, just let me know, because I just want to learn. I think the best way to learn is I just gotta get out there and do it. So, I mean, that's that. Sub to the channel. I will be, like, I fished 4 times this week alone. I'm addicted to it. I love it. It's so fun, and I'm hoping to get better. I'm hoping to get a kayak so I can go hit up lakes and stuff, but that's for the future. But all right, thank you.